Hi friends, welcome back to the Stunning Mom channel. I am Sheetal. So most probably this will be the last video of shopping series for India, and this time I have tried one new brand, so that is Box Lunch, and I have bought some backpack from there, and they are having especially Disney items. They are having lovely backpacks, lovely t-shirts for your toddlers and keychains, lots of things are there. So like if you are having a requirement of backpack, definitely you should try that brand because they are having a very unique backpacks, design, quality, everything is very good. So let's start it. I will start with the Box Lunch only, and I will be sharing what I have bought from the Box Lunch, and apart from that I have buy something from Victoria's Secret, from something from Claire's. So let's start it. So the first item from Box Lunch is this beautiful backpack, and you can see the cartoon of Donald Duck, and this is a 3D patch over here, and you can see the chain. The quality of chain is really very good, and see, there is a lot of space over here. One pocket is there, and the color combination is also very good. This is dark peach color, dark orange color, and this is dark blue color. So, and the logo of Disney is here. So this is really very nice backpack. I love this. So again, the next is this beautiful t-shirt from Pixar, and this is of $17. So I love the print, I love the cartoon characters here. So this is also very unique, and something I bought from Claire's. So like this is a beautiful small backpack. We can use this as a back charm, or we can use this as a key ring, and whatever, means I like this. And the second one, this beautiful cute ribbons. So this is of $7, and this small bag is of this is of $15. So these are the things. Next is this Pixar. You know about the Pixar keychain, but I'm going to use this as a bag charm. So this is really very beautiful golden color, and some pictures are also there. The next one is this clips. So this pin we can use for, we can attach this pin in our t-shirt, plain t-shirt, and whatever you want. So one is that, and the second one is this. The price of this is $10, and the key ring is of $13. So this is also very nice, and I bought one t-shirt from there. So this is a very beautiful t-shirt like this, a very beautiful color combination, and this is attach patches here. So this one is of $14, and some special discount is also going on. They are giving this kind of coupons. So like this is of $15 of future purchase of $30 for or more. Like if you're going to purchase something from there and that is of $30, so you will be getting $15 off from that. So this three shopping coupon is with me, so definitely maybe I'm going to use it because I think my every thing is finished now. Second one is this beautiful dress, and this is like it's a sleeveless black polka dot is there. So this one is also very beautiful and nice. And the second the third one is I went to Victoria's Secret. Actually I want to buy something from there, but I didn't get that. So this is a Victoria's Secret Tease perfume, and I really love this perfume. So I bought this, and I bought two more from the same brand. This one is a small one, and this is for my hubby. So this was his versus him platinum. So the fragrance is really very awesome. Like if you are also having a confusion in perfume selection, so you can definitely you should go for this one. This is very light and very elegant and very nice. I really love this. So this you can buy from there, and the price of this was around I think $60, and the small one is of $13, and again for him what I have bought, it was also a $60. So these are some things. So that's all for this video, friends. I hope you like my videos, and if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe, and if you have subscribed and not clicked the notification bell, so please click the notification bell so that YouTube can notify you whenever I will upload my new videos. And I hope you like my channel and my videos, and if you are having some comments, if you are having some advice, please let me know. You can follow me in Instagram also. So video, friends, so these are very something which you can definitely, if you are looking something like this, so definitely you should go and you should try Box Lunch. So that's all for this video, friends. I hope you like this video. Bye bye, friends. Take care.